kept it 100 and you kept on lying. If you ain't real about your word, then you sitting on mine. If you were real, I could see you was in for the kill. You wasn't thinking about my feelings or the way that I feel. BCB all day, niggas play your part, cause I'ma bounce right back and I'ma go in hard. 5'6", real thick, on some grown up shit. You gotta check your A game, cause I can break your bitch. See, you was watching from the back and recognize the swag. Gotta bite a little Drake, see I'm the best you had. Real funny when I think about some shit you said. The accusations steady flying when you out there bad. The timeline wasn't right and some shit was wrong. You couldn't step to the plate because I'm too damn grown. Educated, simple-minded, and I wish you the best. I demonstrated on the side of having no regrets. You used to